bullish week for oil last week. You can see I told you in the previous analysis last week that once it stays above 70, we are going to look at good bullishness, and in fact 75 levels, so the levels where good resistance was seen. In fact, it has breezed, it has gone close to 75.8. At the same time, for the month of March, we had seen the lows which we were expecting. I told you 65 levels are going to provide very good support. It has gone to 65 levels precisely. You can see multiple candles getting the support there. Now what to expect next week? Also, we will have a brief look for the month of April with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis for crude oil which I share. First with the Asia session, next with the US session. Do watch both the analysis. Let's start in this analysis. First, we'll look into candlestick charts alone, followed with indicators, and towards the end, I will give you the trading strategy and levels. Do watch till the end. Now, first, let's have a look at the crude oil, how it has behaved in last few days. See, lower lows are done here, almost achieving the lows of this channel at 65, and these are the long-term support levels. And I told you that 65, once it stays below 65, the targets are only below 62 and 60 levels. It precisely bounced back from the 65 levels. Now if you just observe last few days trading, you can find out, see, first the support here, then consolidation, then bullish breakout, then consolidation and a support here. Now 2 second you can say consecutive bullish candles, and almost of same size indicates that there could be third bullish candle also. And this is a flat top which indicates that staying above 76 we are going to look at further bullish momentum. So you have to wait for 76 and specifically 78 levels to be breached in order to confirm for a reversal here. Yes, it is comfortably trading above 75, which is a good resistance. Now 75 is going to be the support. 75, 74.8 levels are going to be the support on the downside. This is first part. Second, if you look at, see, if you connect the dots here, you will find it is trading in this bullish channel, and this is a retracement channel. The highs of this channel now are at 80, and you also recall 80 and 82.5 levels. Why it is important? You can see this. It has been trading in this channel for weeks. It has traded in this channel for weeks. It failed to break past 82, 85 levels. Multiple times it tried but failed to do so. And this time you can see in the month of March it has given a breakout, went till towards 65, which was very good support. Now it is again trying to look upwards, but we will see with the help of monthly charts, because see, if you look at the weekly charts from the highs here, you can find out lower highs, and if you connect the dots from here, this is an expanding triangle. Now the resistance at 80 is going to be the strongest, and then 82.6. Only reversal confirmation in oil is if it trades above 82-85 zone, then and then only you can say that oil has reversed and it is going to fly high. Also, if you look at the slope here, look at the slope here. See, this was a sharp bearishness. This is the retracement, and it is still to be considered retracement till the time it stays below this. So possibly achieving the little highs here, it can again resume its downward journey, very much possible. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. Now see, on the weekly charts last few weeks back, I told you this has given a breakout, and the breakout was such a sharp breakout that it has gone till towards 65. Now see, this is again good. Now recovery is also equally good. It has almost given lower highs here. So the next weekly candle will definitely be of importance to us, staying above 76, 77 zone. We can say that there could be little more bullishness which might take it for 80, 82 levels, because see, this is after this consolidation. This is the first candle with a flat top. Flat top indicates that it closed on a bullish note. That also indicates that it can open on a bullish note, and this means that first green candle, there could be second green candle which can in fact take it back to this lower high levels. So this is something you should note. Now this is just a possibility, and we will see further in detail with the help of indicators. Now look at the monthly charts. Now on the monthly chart, see the long tail there on the downside, and this indicates that there is a strong push. Prices are not willing to settle on the lower levels, and this is going to be a very good support levels. We have seen this in the past, that 65 levels have provided a very strong support. Also, the next observation is the increasing body size here. The body size has increased, which also indicates that if it opens, trades below 75 and then 72 zones, certainly we can see the next candle might trade bearish giving you lower highs, higher lows. Now while lower highs are also probable, because see, it is still trading in this, you can say, channel which is slightly bearish channel, and hence 80, 81, 82 zone is going to remain the levels which you should watch out for till the time it stays below 82.5, 82.6. You can say that it can probably reverse on the downside. So till then we have to be watchful. We have seen, yes, a price pullback here, and a reversal confirmation is about this. That is one. Second thing is the monthly candle. Regarding the monthly candle, if it opens below 75, draws below 72, remember it can still give you lower highs, higher lows, and consolidate within the previous candle only. And hence the complete movement you should watch out for is the previous candle's move, the complete movement for the month of April. You should wait for it to break out either on the upside or downside to confirm the bearishness. Now this is just a charts. Let's have a look at the indicators here. See, indicators on the daily charts, you can see 20 period moving averages started to look upwards, and you can find out the 50 and 100 period. It is trading above the 20 and 50 period moving averages, now looking towards the 100 period moving average, which is situated at around 77 levels with the next resistance zone, and this you should be watchful of. Next, if you look at it, is trading at the median of the bands there, but look at the stochastic. This is again come to overbought levels, which also brings that whenever it has gone overbought, it has always tried to cool down a bit. But look at the MACD. The MACD crossover is happening at a very lower levels, and that is why it is trying to pull back the prices. And on the daily charts, in my daily analysis, I have told you this, that whenever oil has achieved these levels, it has always tried to recover, and that is what we are seeing once again. The RSI is also trying to look upwards and show a little strength. And if you look at the weekly chart, on the weekly charts, it is still bearish. It is so far trading below the 20, 50, 100 weeks average. Now 80, 82 levels are going to be very, very important. Rather till 84, 85, it is going to be very, very important resistance zone. Now see the stochastic, which has dropped a bit, now trying to recover, looking upwards. But look at, most importantly, on the MACD. The MACD after a long time, you can see, let me give you a closer look here. See, it is almost straight flat here at minus 500, which is very lower levels here, and it is now again looking forward to crossover. The crossover here can bring little bullishness, but it does not mean that it cannot fare on the downside. See, on the upside it has gone till plus 1000. On the downside this was minus 1000 levels, and it can stretch the drop also. RSI also trying to recover and look upwards. And if you look at the monthly chart, on the monthly chart, see the complete movement between the 20, 50 and 100 months average, which is, if you look at the 100 months simple average and the exponential average, 60 and 65, these are the support levels here on the downside. Now also look, see, it is forming a good momentum, and if it breaks this time, it is going to be a very sharp break. This is also very, very clear. So these observations you should note. Look at the stochastic. See, after staying overbought for a while, it has come down to oversold levels, recovered a bit, now again trying to look down. The MACD on the other hand has crossed over here, and it is still divergent, it's still bearish, and this we had seen earlier in our previous analysis that the MACD might try to achieve these levels, and hence on the monthly charts, as I said, and on the weekly and daily charts also, we have seen, see, till 80, 82 levels, do not consider this as bullish. It can always give you a pullback. On the downside, it is still in the bearish channel on the monthly charts. Now RSI is also trying to look down, trying to trade slightly bearish here. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators, and now we have to conclude, and let me give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out for next week. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 21st batch starts on 10th of April. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, also you can be part of my signals group. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now, see, first let's talk about the levels to buy. Yes, 76 is the only level above which I will recommend you to buy. Then you should wait for 76.45, 77.1 levels. Now these two if are taken, then there could be little more bullishness, which is going to take it till towards 78 levels. Now I look forward to 78 to be breached. Beyond that, 79.2 and 80. Now, as I said, till 80, 82 levels also, I will not be considering this as bullish, and it can always show you pullback. Beyond that, see, 80 is going to be good rise, good resistance level. Previous highs we had seen at around 81. Previous to previous highs were at around 82, and this time we may see it getting the resistance at around 80 levels. So this you should watch out for. Beyond that, sky is the limit, and this is going to remain applicable till the month of April. 82.6 levels, possibly above which only you can expect 84, 85 levels, which are going to be the next resistance zone. This is applicable for the month of April complete, and hence you should be watchful of these. Now on the downside, rather, as we had seen in the chart, that there is a possibility for it to continue with the downward move, and this time if it drops, it is going to give you a very strong bearish candle. So what levels you should sell? See, 74.8 is the only level below which little more bearishness can be expected, and hence you can sell here at 74.8. Below that we can expect 73 point, rather I will say 73.8 and 72.8 levels. Till here it's fine, and if it breaks below 72.8 levels, certainly we are going to look at 72 and 70, and then again 67, 65, and then 62, 60. Remember, the chances of it going till here are difficult, but this is a very good support. These are very good support levels, and on the downside 62 and 60, which I will look forward to. This is very strong support zone here. So yes, if it slides, first thing is it has to open bearish, it has to drop first. If it continues to trade bearish from here, opens lower and trades lower, certainly we can expect that the bearishness is going to prevail, and you can have a bearish month from here, where 60, you can say 67, 65 levels again can be expected. On the other hand, even if it tries to recover till towards 80, 81, probability of a drop from there is also equally existent. Achieving higher highs, it can further drop from there. The possibility exists. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. For maybe we can see a bullish week before it looks forward to a drop, and hence you have to trade with caution. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do watch the daily analysis and look at the description of the channel and video, and you will find my contact details and also my free Telegram ID where you will get the daily updates. So join this channel and reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.